In this video, I'll be walking you through how to activate and deactivate your Fiverr gig. So let's say, for example, you don't want to sell or receive any order on one certain Fiverr gig. You can actually deactivate it so that no one will be able to see that gig on the Fiverr search or when they check on your profile. And once you want to activate it back as well, you can also do that since you didn't delete the Fiverr. So the first thing you have to do is just to navigate to your gig space, and there are two methods in which you can actually do this one. So first method is actually this way, which of course you have to navigate to your gig under my business. So you're gonna see all your gig on this particular page. So right here you can see on the drop down menu at the right hand side here. So let's say I want to deactivate this particular gig, first gig, which is right about us page, brand story and the like. So I'm gonna click on this drop down. I'm gonna click on pause this gig. So once you pause this gig, that means you're actually deactivating the gig and no one will be able to see that gig. So I've clicked on that pause, then you will see that the gig is already on the pause right side here, and on this active gig we can only see 3 gigs right here. So if I navigate to this pause page, I can actually see that gig again. So you can see right here. So let's say I just want to activate it back, or so I'm gonna click on this drop down again, then you can see activate. If you go back to this page right here, you won't be able to see activate here because all these gigs are already activated. So I'm gonna click on this pause page, then I can click on this drop down and I'm gonna click on activate, and the gig will go from pause to active. So you can see right here the gig is now back to the active page. So the second method, which of course you can also use to activate and deactivate gig, is by going through your profile. So I'm gonna click on profile right here. So on this profile page you're gonna see all your active gig as well. So let's wait for this page to load, then I will also do the same thing. So right here you can see it's gonna list all the gigs on this. So right here you can see all the active gig. This is just the second method in which you can activate and deactivate your gig as well. So the next thing you're gonna do once you have seen all your gigs, so you can just click on this option right here which says gig options. Once you click on that, you will see pause gig, edit gig, preview gig. So it's still the same features you'll see on the gig option. So once you click on this pause, it's gonna deactivate the gig, and then you can also see the pause option right here. So if I click on the pause right here, you can see the gig is now on the pause page. So if I click on activate back, the gig will go back from the pause page to active gigs. So you can see right here. So this is the easiest way to activate and deactivate your Fiverr gig.